puffed and blew as loudly as he... Harry and Bert were surprised. I told he could. Thomas was cross. Her boiler quivered and her valves rattled. She wanted to steam away. I never want to see... Thomas and Percy watched. Their giant... Thomas and Percy shivered. They thought, let's come back when Diesel 10's not here. Thomas puffed nervously. Cinders and ashes, gasped Thomas. And he let out a... His pistons popped, his traction rods rattled, and his boiler bubbled and bounced. Sir Handel couldn't go on. Traction rods rattled and his boiler bubbled and bounced. I can do it, I can do it. Sir Handel shuddered to a stop. Flatbed. Hooray! Henry was having a terrible time. He was rocking and rolling, coughing and wheezing. The workmen are waiting, the workmen are waiting, he gasped. Thomas thought Henry looked very ill indeed. Gordon had to stop to let off passengers. Henry was taking on water. Henry's face was green. His axles were shaking and dark smoke billowed from his funnel. I didn't get my special coal this morning, coughed Henry. My firebox feels funny. Hooray for Gordon, wheezed Henry. You'll set a new record for sure. Chloe. Rosie was so surprised that she shook from funnels. Skarloey's wheels wobbled.
Go fuck yourself.